In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Zoho Books. Now, Zoho Books is a comprehensive accounting solution, and one of its key features is the ability to integrate your bank accounts. This integration helps streamline your financial processes by syncing transactions directly into your accounting software. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get those bank details added and make managing your finances a whole lot easier. First, you'll need to sign into your Zoho Books account. Head over to the Zoho Books website and click on the sign in button. Once prompted, select the Google option to simplify the login process. If you're already logged into your Google account, choosing this option should instantly log you into Zoho Books. If not, you'll just need to enter your Google account credentials. Now, after signing in, don't be surprised if there is a bit of loading time. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a moment, so just be patient. Once you're in, navigate to the banking tab in the dashboard. This is where you'll perform all your banking related tasks within Zoho Books. After you're in the banking section, look for the button that says Connect Bank with Credit Card and give it a click. This will guide you through the process of adding your bank account to Zoho Books. Here you'll be presented with a list of banks. Choose your bank from the list. If you don't see your bank, don't worry. You can also opt to connect an online bank account manually. Once you've selected your bank or decided to connect online, click the appropriate icon to begin the connection process. Next, you'll need to connect using your login details for your bank account. Be ready to input your bank user ID and password. It's important to ensure you have the correct login details handy to facilitate a smooth process. After entering your credentials, provide all necessary bank details as prompted. This step is crucial since accurate information ensures seamless synchronization of your bank transactions. If you prefer to add your bank accounts manually, Zoho Books offers that option too. You'd simply enter the required bank information where specified, allowing you a bit more control over what details are shared. Once everything is set, you should see your bank account listed in the banking tab, indicating a successful connection. With your bank now connected to Zoho Books, your transactions will automatically sync, making it so much easier to keep tabs on your financial health and streamline your accounting processes. And there you have it. You've successfully added your bank details to Zoho Books. By following these steps, you can stay on top of your financial management with more efficiency and accuracy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your business with Zoho Books.